Welcome to our presentation for Year 9 Fitness and Training, the Health and Phys Ed elective at Mara Sign College in Warragul for 2021. The topics we will cover are the body systems, the muscular system, the cardiovascular circuitry system, the respiratory systems and their response to exercise. We'll also look at game analysis and energy systems and the use of different energy systems of different sports, movement patterns and skill sequences. We'll look at fitness components and their sport and training applications, so how we can train specifically for fitness components. We'll look at sports nutrition and a weekly outline of nutrition plan for different athletes. We'll look at sports supplements and hydration. Different types of training methods we'll cover are circuit training, short interval, intermediate interval and long interval training, aerobic endurance. We'll look at all sorts of different types of strength training, so training for muscular strength, muscular power and muscular endurance. We'll also look at fartlek training, and we'll look at other maintenance methods such as key training for core strength and Pilates and flexibility in yoga. All these lead to us really looking at the training principles, the sit-off principle of specificity, intensity, duration, overload and frequency. All the while taking note and putting into practice some key recovery methods as well. All of this leads to students in the second half of the semester creating and completing their own training program. The subject pathway for Year 9 Fitness and Training can lead to Year 10 Advanced Fitness in 2022. Also, for if you have the opportunity to accelerate in Unit 1 and 2, Year 11 VCE PE. In Year 9 Fitness and Training, there's 3 lessons a week, 6 lessons a cycle, and to begin with, each week there'll be a couple of theory lessons and a prac lesson. In the second half, it weighs much more in the favour of practical sessions as we are developing and completing our training programs. When we get into the development of a training program phase, a typical week looks like 2 practical training sessions, with the last lesson in the week being a review, maintaining a training diary and planning further sessions in our program. The career pathways for Year 9 Fitness and Training are many and varied in the physical education area, as you can see from this slide in our PowerPoint video presentation. If you have any questions at all, you can contact myself, Mr. Dean Hendricks, and Mr. Jacques Augustin, the teachers of Year 9 Fitness and Training at Mara Sign College. Thank you for viewing our presentation, and we really look forward to many enthusiastic people becoming involved and choosing Year 9 Fitness and Training as their elective at Mara Sign College in 2021.